My name is Ramish Chaudry and I have recently cleared PMS 21. My advice to the coming aspirants who are appearing in 2022 is at first they have to work on their writing skills. As of now, time is very limited. People must have to, aspirants especially, must have to practice writing style and writing practice, because at the end of the day, time matters and you have to complete the exam in a limited time of span. And secondly, they have to prepare their notes completely. As of now, no new data is needed. You have to revise the previous data and you have to add that data into the exam. So you don't need to add new data, you just have to cram or remember those data into the papers. Thirdly, you have to work on presentation technique, because presentation technique matters a lot. You have to facilitate the examiner in your presentation technique. You just have to include maps, quotations and extra knowledge into that question, which make you a distinct candidate in the overall examination. So these are three advices you have to work on it in order to ace the exam. Thank you so much. Good luck.